Things I'm only tell you, miss.
Dainelle, hello, this must be a plan from the enemy now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl, and for those who know, don't know, and want to know. So, when I sit down by the title, I'm not lie, I talk fast, I'm nervous, bad. Before it's in the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and tell me that you're new, so I can know that you're a real one, and you plan to be a real one. Anyways, before jumping out of that, I have 3 special shout outs. As I say, comment and let me know say real. You're new, you subscribe, I'm gonna give you a shout out in the next video. So the first shout out goes to, you can see it on the screen. Let me just go over to space. First shout out goes to Anifa Sterling. She said, how much time you gonna say nevertheless, ma'am? So the thing is, when everybody tell them story, they have like a thing with them, they have them own line. If you're not gonna say about, so I'm gonna say whoops, I'm gonna say whoops, I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna say, they know, you know, everybody have a line. So that's my line. Love me alone. Shout out to you. The next person is Shan's TV. She said, there. Well, Shan, thanks for there. Big up yourself. The next one is Rafiq Witter. He says, can I get a shout out? Shout out to you, Rafiq. Big up yourself. Thanks for keeping it real. Now, if you wanna know what I'm gonna do, stick around. Go watch our intro, yeah? And stay tuned.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with the friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright. Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
Okay. So, before I come here and say some foolishness, I wrote down some little notes. I'm not going to see my writing. As to what I'm going to say. I'm nervous, bad people, like the nerves. You know what I'm for do this? So before I do this, I went ahead and I did. My God, my post them gone. I did some posts saying stuff. I kind of delete it gone off my status by accident. But yeah, I made some posts saying that I got to burn some bridges and for them feel bad. So I practically accuse them, tell them so I need to burn the bridges. I'm nervous, but the first person I got call, Miss Doctor. I'm nervous, bad people, and she's like a second mommy to me. I don't know if I can do this now, but pray for me. She's serious, you know? That's why I can't video call. So I just got call her. I still got so I got call her, I say I'm an emotional shut up. My ears to shut up, but I'm an emotional break. And I only use her as an emotional aid. And that's why she didn't. So that's why I never do the video. Cause a long time I stay far. But now I realize she really just I use my walk now. That's good. Let's go. Video start. Nervous, but I hope she hasn't suck because she have a baby, you know, so you know mommy duties. Alright, I'm gonna let you not answer it, but we're gonna come back to her. So I got my friend Sheldon. Sheldon say, Sheldon, my ears are Sheldon say I'm clingy, I'm annoying. I'm only getting a time to himself. He said that to me one time. I'm only getting a time to himself. I'm only talking to me because I know hurt my feelings. And I heard back from his friend. I'm not going to call his friend's name. Him definitely a answer. Come on. You not answer? That's weird. Nobody gonna answer me? this, we're gonna do one twist. So I'm gonna text him and say I need to talk ASAP. It's urgent. I said I'm too thick, so I don't know him there. He will come back. But in this head speed, I'm going to my friend Michaela. I text her and tell her, say, oh, we need to talk, it's urgent. She online. She online. I'm nervous. Okay. Officially, she answer, you know, but yeah, she online, so.
Hello?
Michaela.
Yeah?
So, I have something to talk to you about.
Come on, talk. Oh, bye.
Well, I don't know. Is it true? I know, say. I don't know if I'm going with too much expectations or what. But, yo, I just find it messed up. Come here some things where you say. I say, imagine, you know, for your birthday, I talk to you, we are going to say nice and everything. Then Punka going to make me hear some song. Because I don't go around the corner. Because Punka tell me, so you talk about how I'm soft and about my opportunities. And you all talk out to me because your birthday, I don't want to take me away. I don't know if you believe me now. But yeah, that. I my feelings. Because I say me close. For your birthday, I express to you how I feel and everything. And then, I don't know. And then I say, yo, I did say to him, say, oh, that's why she not answer me when I did that call and him say I come back. And all I not come back. So I don't know if it's true. I'm going to tell myself, say, if I have a problem with one of my friend them, I going to just come in front of them and just ask them because it's just mature. So I don't know.
Oh. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're speaking with Michaela. Thanks for watching. Remember how she tried prank? I don't know. Bye bye.
If me not prank you that. Yeah, Michaela. She not doing that. What you think is a prank, yo?
My girl.
But
It's a prank.
no, but if it's a prank, would I say then be there call me if you feel like it's a prank. Come I'm very serious. Like from me do this YouTube thing, everybody think and a joke me and make you want to call Punka?
Call Punka, girl. Yeah.
Alright.
Call Punka.
Yeah, like say nothing.
Come on.
Everybody thinks it's always a joke, you know. And from what day may I say, yo, I just call and make sure I say, yo. I just clear it because I need some closure.
No. Oh my God, I doubt that. You must have nothing to do.
So you don't believe me?
No.
Why? But me not laugh. I don't laugh and you know I love laugh.
I can't hear the giggling in your voice.
Me eat you. I'm eat this one.
Right. Yeah, don't prank me.
More giggling on voice. Alright, my next friend I call. Gotta go.
Bye.
Yeah, Sheldon. Sheldon. Me not here.
I say, why everybody are blazed on the phone and I would do it.
So, I don't know if it is true, I can ask you. But I just want to get it off my chest. You must see me all day text you. I'm up in here, I'm not call you like me usually do. Because I hear Veronica tell me something. Because I don't like bag of girl. I'm too mature for all of the girl and marry girl thing. I just need some closure because I realize say once me you have anything or I just don't text you, take it from your head, you overthink it, you reach your status and all the above. So I just gotta tell you, So if you find me clingy and annoying, and you just try if you talk to me, kind of want to hurt my feelings, but you just come and tell me, then if you come with a bag of foolishness, because I've had enough. I really don't have the time.
What?
You know? And you got to talk about, yeah, I just want some time to myself, just like a shit. What?
I start from the top, I don't understand this.
Me I say Bernica tell me say yo you talk about how I'm clingy and sometimes and every time something happen or I want time to myself and them little things then I just go on my shell and I act like people not care and you try to talk to me and something say this will love me out cause at least you get time to yourself and da 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 and all the above. Like we mature, we're big people now. If you have something to say you say to my face and you talk it behind my back. What?
Let me see. Let me check some. I can't tell last name of Veronica.
Well, Veronica said I'm more than believe because you drive just as much. So I just say alright, I just slow him out. That's some of the posts where they say for just burn some bridge. I'm just in the closure right now because I'm not in that foolishness. Life short, God soon come for him world. Just get it over with.
You don't know?
Yeah, man, that's what you want to say. You're not talking.
First of all, you're coming in May, yeah, tell me.
No, cause my ears, you know, say me, you know, no.
Let me make something clear. If I didn't like you, if I thought all those some things, first of all, I wouldn't be in a group with you. Second, I wouldn't have your number still. You would have been blocked and deleted. I wouldn't have talked to you. I wouldn't have stayed.
But but maybe listen. That was before. No. That was before, and obviously, I developed these feelings and all of the above overnight. And it was not up to you if we're in group because me really don't come for feelings. You always say don't mix your feelings with your work. So me just come for do what me do what I have to do, get my work and cut. And if you're gonna develop them feelings there, I may talk so often that cut me up. You talk to my family them like you're my friend and then you have them something to say. You come tell me I'm feel Sheldon. You know? Like serious, like you ever talk, you have the strength to talk and everything, but you don't have the strength to talk the truth in front of my face. And you call me a friend, lay aside your wife and your woman.
You don't really like your Veronica because
so call her.
Because I'm serious. That me really want to hear this.
I just want to know what is what. No, I just want to know what is what.
God, if you Veronica?
Yeah.
Explain to me what you said to Dainelle. Make Dainelle tell me that night, please. Because I get it from the baby, I'm really like this to nobody.
What me said to her?
Yeah. Dainelle said, me tell you said she clingy. Or I don't like to talk to her.
Yeah, and you need to talk Veronica, like you just need to tell him the truth. Talk what you tell me. Because me that hurt me. And you come tell me since evening, say my talk about how I cling him and nine and that. Just make him know. Just tell him what you tell me exactly. So nobody switch up story. Because we're not going to no story time. You send me, you tell me this evening, you text it to me this evening, and I can send the screenshot to Sheldon. I can't send it to Sheldon.
Start by doing that and send it to me too.
So hold on. Hello.
You really call me and ask me this?
No, so you go come by us and act like me an idiot. No, someone want to ask Veronica, you go come by us and act like me a tell lie.
You know, I was actually crying and you guys actually cheered me up. Huh?
Never laugh. So Sheldon, the question is to you, who do you believe? Because me would come here to see you soon.
I don't know, is that prank this? Because I start getting serious.
What kind of prank come serious? Or if, no, but if it was a prank, would that so serious?
You come off of my phone, eh? Because I buy the man.
Him gone, him vexed. Hello, me never expect me to get Sheldon. Sheldon not take foolishness him ever think things are not going like say my genius. But you should play along, you know, hear me all tell you what folks say. You not pick up?
Yeah,
right? Anyways, may I have our next person to call. Bye. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Right. Later. Hey, watch out. My nerves turn over. My auntie on the side did. My nerves turn over. Right over. You vexing her? I'm gonna call him back. I'm gonna be like, hello? Sheldon Vix. Stop him. You not answer. I'm not ask you. Sheldon? I am sorry.
Dainelle, you know who Sheldon is, you know, say
hello. My hands? My, what you call this again, auntie? My nerves? Broke right out on the camera right here. So. But I'm sorry, it's just a prank. Say hi, YouTube.
Dainelle, you know, say I'm ready for Dainelle, you know, my style,
yeah, me know, man. Say hi, YouTube, and go on, cool off. Say hi, YouTube, and go.
Dainelle, you could have had dead dog on the back.
You can't say that.
Like a YouTube, even them know that.
A class, okay, bye. Me I can call you back. You can't even call the people before them jump asleep, please.
Who call other people?
Later.
Right.
My God, you're my boss. Next caller, I'm gonna call Katie. This is my friend. So me and her come from way back. I don't normally call her straight like this. I normally call her my video call. If she answer, I'm gonna tell her that she's some staff and woman. Oh no. Try to be her friend because I'm not a friend. How make you do that? She not answer. This new. Okay then. Asleep?
Yeah.
Sorry, but I just want to ask you something.
What?
So, I see my post the other day. Right? You say yo, some people just trying to be a friend because I'm friendless and you don't trust them. And then somebody screenshot the same post and then screenshot your conversation and saying it's me. And I don't know if it's true, yo. And I literally have tears in my eye because you know, girl, you make a post on that but you don't trust people. And then you got have my name underneath. No, kidding, because me explain to you how I feel right now. You know?
You can't
no, cause
how you feel about something I did not do.
But kidding, I know your number. I have your number. So there's no the person could be lying.
Don't bother with the foolishness from phone 9 to hear me.
If a foolishness, I'm for so serious. I'm not even video call for sure you.
Girl, something way you said me. First of all, I'm not chatting to nobody. 1, 2 months just still not chat about you. Who me chat about you with?
Your friend them.
What friends?
I don't even want to call the person name because suppose the person got tell me more things.
So you don't even have a person name for call. If you never come to me with a name, don't tell me shit.
So oh you fear come? No kidding, but may I ask you, you call me name, I'm call my friend.
I got this phone on you hear me?
I can't serious. You so like my mother, I'll hang up on your this phone, you see? Hello. The always I may get a bypass you through your sleep. Big up yourself, my friend. Nobody can come with a foolishness. Right.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. Say good night, YouTube. The girl calls, the girl asleep. I woke her up. I'm gonna call Miss Doctor. I can't laugh so. I feel like Miss Doctor more believe in a video call. When you stop laugh. Them just all laugh around, they say kiki. She not answer. I fear when the hot topic, you know. I'm gonna call her husband. Okay. Alright. So she should put her baby to bed. So she said she put her baby to bed. So you know what's up? Alright, so she texts me and say, okay. She was like, hey hon, putting the baby to sleep. What's up? So I said, I need to talk to you. She's like, message me. So I said, I can't. Has to be a call. Shut up. Night, miss. I'm not here. So, miss, I don't know if you see that my earlier message and all of the above. And I feel bad on myself. You know. But then I got hear somebody come to me and I say, yo, you talk about my emotional wreck. And you talk about my only use as an emotional aid. And about that, and that's why you not really call and talk up to me anymore, because true me feel like my big man make it now and don't remember where I come from. I feel so. I don't want to call the person name. I just want to hear from you to know if it's true. Because I feel away because I call him my second mommy. I don't know why I am. I don't know why I laugh. Yeah, and then, yeah. I'm going to trust you, miss. I trust you. I trust you, miss. Come on, always tell you things. I'm going to call you my second mommy. I'm going to find out things like this. I feel away. I really feel away. Stop it, eyes. You believe something to that? That's why I laugh, God, it's ridiculous. Because I don't know what to believe. You only talk to me, the only time you talk to me is if you want a video. Or you want me to do something culture club related, like you don't care about my feelings and you're going to say that I'm going to trust you, I'm going to confide in you. I just need some closure. I'm feeling so bad. But I don't know how people can come tell me things when I tell you. What? Things when I only tell you, miss.
Dainelle, hello, this must be a plan from the enemy, you know. A plan from the enemy, and I... Little girl, don't put me.
No, I can't tell lies. I can't do it. I'm sad. My auntie around there dead me, I tell you, I'm super sorry. Hello, you know why I laugh? All water come on me here, I could do wicked song. No, what?
Wicked. Yeah, I wake up and baby. Don't put me pit me.
I'm so sorry. It was your laugh for me. Your laugh saying this is ridiculous for me.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
my stir up your heart.
You're wicked there now.
Hello. No man. It's too serious.
April 1 gone.
Eh? And April 1, that's why. You see? I could dry it out, so no. But y'all thought.
That's what I say.
Right. But girl. Oh my God. Say hi YouTube because you're on live.
What? You serious? Don't ramp with me.
You're not the only one. You need to
get the context that is most weapon from the enemy. It's a foolish.
You need to go ahead and say hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Right.
Keeping it real with Dainelle.
Right. Alright, you need to go and tell baby that I'm sorry. Eh?
Alright, my darling. Alright.
Alright, later, bye.
Alright, Bounty.
Listen. But if you're fair pack, I'm know na. I know okay then some ram too much. Listen. I did it. I made it through. But what's funny? Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you made it thus far and you laughed at any point of this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, comment and tell me how you felt about this content, and if you have any other content similar or want any other content at all, just tell me. You can go ahead and go in my description box and follow all my platforms. You can communicate through me too there. I will definitely answer if I have the chance or if I see it. And just subscribe. We're almost at 1K people. We're so close to 1K. I can't even tell you because I take things very slow. But subscribe to them, subscribe to another friend, another friend, another friend, another friend, and another friend. Until then, just go and make up on a nice claim. So, love you. Bye, everyone.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with your friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we're keeping it real.